Rachel Liao, petite chef, Rachel Liao, cooking lamb.
You're just showing off, Daddy.
No, you're showing off now.
I'm not.
We missed the first half because first half is how Rachel marinated the lamb. That's how it's cooking lamb now. This is salt and pepper and some dishes. Wow. And what we have here, the tomato, and we have some salad. She has mixed some salad with balsamic vinegar. And yep, and she already done some cooking on potatoes, fried potatoes, and now in the oven cooking. We missed that part, but never mind. Here we go. Shake it. Yeah. Have you turned off?
No.
Okay. It's not brown enough. We should wait until it's more brown. Okay? Cool, mate. Petite chef rock. No. Why? It's not done yet. Let's share first. Okay. You want to reach? Get the plate. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good. Yep. It's now putting some salad right in the middle. Are you sure you have cleaned your hands?
Duh. I have cleaning. I already cleaned my hands.
Yep. She's trying to decorate.
Garnish.
Garnishing, okay.
That's too much salad.
No, it's okay.
It's yours.
Okay. Get more for mommy. Get more. Start a bit. Yeah, look like a sort of like ball.
Mommy's coming back.
Okay, look like a ball type, yeah. Not too much. Okay. Done. Okay, now wash your hands.
No, you look good. Oh, come on, I'm just washing my hands.
A chef washing your hands.
What is so sensible? A chef washing my hands.
Okay, we're going to pause first and let it cook first. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.